Hello and welcome back to the Urban Cook. What I'm going to do today is like mac and cheese, but obviously urban style, so obviously it's going to be a little bit different. So what I've got is cauliflower, nutmeg, got some tzatziki pasta, I've got some penne pasta, panko breadcrumbs, chives, black pepper, a little bit of courgette, red pepper, tomatoes, mushrooms, Chipolata sausages, onion, garlic, chicken, and obviously cheese. And I'm going to make up a little bechamel sauce, but I'm going to cheat a little bit. It's a ready-made one, but obviously I'm going to add nutmeg into it, and obviously the cheese. So I'll get all this prepped up, and I'll see you soon. We'll get this pan on, little squirt of olive oil, onions first of all, because I prefer to do the onions before the garlic. Did I show you that? Mixed with love. Get our garlic. We'll get our chicken in. So we'll get our little Chipolata sausages. They're going in. The peppers are going in. The courgettes and tomatoes are going in. Yeah, I say this is not a mac and cheese as you know it. This is urban mac and cheese. So add chives, some black pepper, a little bit of salt, and we'll come back to that in a minute. So we get our mushrooms. Don't want to cook these too much because I don't like them going soggy. So that's all good. I'll just let them warm up a little bit, and then we'll shut that off, get the pasta out, get the cauliflower out, drain that, and then we'll make up a little bit of bechamel sauce and mix it all together with a bit of cheese, and then we'll go from there. So see you soon. Get another one for the cauliflower. So that's all our chicken, sausages and all the courgettes and peppers, mushrooms and all that good stuff. And we have our cauliflower, that is going in, and our pasta, and that is going in. So that's all good. So we'll make up the bechamel sauce and the cheese and the nutmeg and get all that sorted out. So we'll see you back in a minute. What I'm going to do is just put a little bit of this in here. Don't want to go too mad with that because it's a bit overpowering. It's starting to thicken up already. Wouldn't be mac and cheese without cheese, would it? With our mixture here, get a bechamel sauce with our cheese and nutmeg and our black pepper. Let that sit for a minute. Get a nice dish. So what we'll do is get our mixture. Put this one in here. Just a fine sprinkling of nutmeg over the top of that. Get another lump of cheese. And we're going to go again, just over the top. The other one. Believe it or not, the mac and cheese always tastes better the next day. Don't know why. It's the same as Chinese. Like when you've had a Chinese or pizza, it always tastes better the next day. These are Panko breadcrumbs. Awesome stuff. So we'll get them in the. I'm just waiting for the oven. I should have put the oven on earlier, but that obviously didn't happen because if you know me by now, I'm the most disorganised cook you can ever get. But you know, I really appreciate everybody hanging out. Whoa. Okay, so it's been in the oven for about 30 minutes. The cheese is all melted, it's bubbling away, and the panko breadcrumbs have all crusted up. Nice little texture on the top. So we'll have a little, let this cool down for a little bit, and we'll take a little section of that out and put it in a bowl, and we'll show you what's going on. Cheers, guys. Okay, so there we go. This is Urban's version of mac and cheese. It's just not mac and cheese. You've got chicken, some chipolata sausages all cut up fine, chicken's cut up fine, mushrooms, peppers, onions, garlic, and then a bechamel sauce, which is obviously pre-made, with some nutmeg, black pepper, panko breadcrumbs with some more cheddar cheese on top, and some fresh parsley I just got out of the garden on top of that. So this is, I've already tasted this, and it's really tasty. And you can add more cheese if you want more cheese or less cheese. It's totally up to you, but I just made it up as I go along. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one, and see what we come up with. Cheers guys, see you later. Take it easy.